In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI influencer with HeyGen. By the end, you'll have a polished virtual persona ready to feature in videos, campaigns, or social posts, all built inside HeyGen's streamlined workflow. Start by opening HeyGen in your browser and heading to the home page. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Avatar. This is your hub for everything related to digital characters. If you don't see it right away, expand the menu and give the page a second to load. Here you'll see two paths: cloning a real person or creating a virtual character. Cloning requires explicit permission from the person being cloned and may have legal or ethical considerations, so for most projects, choosing a virtual character is the simplest and safest route to an AI influencer. Next, click Design with AI. You'll land on a form that guides the creative process. Start by entering a name. Pick something memorable and on-brand. A distinctive name helps your influencer feel intentional and easier to reference across platforms. Choose an age that aligns with your audience and niche. Then select a gender and ethnicity. Use these fields to represent the community you want to reach and to set the foundation for your avatar's look and voice. Consistency here helps your influencer feel authentic and relatable. In the description field, describe your avatar clearly and concisely. Include personality traits, visual cues like hairstyle or wardrobe, and the overall vibe: professional, casual, sporty, editorial, or tech-forward. You can mention details like lighting or setting if it helps, but keep it focused on what will matter most on camera. If you're stuck, click. Try a sample to load example text, then edit it to match your brand's tone. You'll now set orientation, which influences how the avatar faces the camera and how the frame is composed. Pick a pose to define body language: open, confident, friendly, or dynamic. Then choose a style to guide the aesthetic, from clean studio looks to more creative or fashion-forward treatments. When your inputs look right, click Generate Preview. HeyGen will create several options based on your settings. Review the results for clarity, facial expression, and brand fit. When one stands out, pick a photo for your avatar to lock it in as the face of your AI influencer. If the preview doesn't quite match your vision, you can generate again. Tweak the description, adjust pose or style, and rerun until you land on a version that truly represents your brand. That's it. You've created an AI influencer in HeyGen, ready for content creation and consistent on-message visuals.